We are solving Journal Study Paper 1 of year 2023 of Civil Services Pre-Exam. Question number 76 is consider the following statement. Statement 1. According to the United Nations World Water Development Report 2022, India extracts more than a quarter of the world's groundwater withdrawal each year. Statement 2. India needs to extract more than a quarter of the world's groundwater each year to satisfy the drinking water and sanitation needs of almost 18% of world population living in its territory. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statement? Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So here, according to first statement, according to United Nations, the World Water Development Report 2022, India is responsible for extracting more than quarter of the world's groundwater each year. This significant figure highlights India's major role in global underground water use. So, statement 1 is correct. That is, according to the United Nations, the World Water Development Report 2022, India extracts more than quarter of world's groundwater withdrawal each year. So that statement is correct. And second statement is wrong, because second statement is India needs to extract more than a quarter of world's groundwater each year to satisfy the drinking water and sanitation needs of almost 18% of the world's population living in its territory. So that statement is wrong, because excessive withdrawal of groundwater lowers the water table, making it harder to assess water. Example are in Delhi and Punjab and in Haryana, Rajasthan, the water tables are dropping by 1 to 2 meters per year, and excessive groundwater extraction causes the land to sink due to collapse of underground aquifers. Examples are Jakarta in Indonesia is sinking by 25 centimeters per year, mainly due to groundwater extraction. Okay. And next reason is as groundwater level drop, pollutant like arsenic, fluoride, and nitrate seep into the water. Examples are Bihar, West Bengal, and Bangladesh have arsenic contaminated groundwater causing severe health issues. So second statement is wrong. So these are the reasons. So answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Answer is C.